Today, we will be learning how to make your very own ghost foam stamp. First, draw the shape that you want on the foam sheet with a pen. To create designs or patterns within the shape, use the pen to repeatedly draw along the lines in the foam shape. Make sure not to poke or cut all the way through. It just needs to be recessed enough to not pick up the paint when stamped. Now, cut along the outline shape. Grab a few more foam sheets of any color to create at least 4 to 5 duplicates of the same shape. Now, glue the duplicates on top of each other like shown. And finally, the main one on top. Please allow the glue to fully dry. Once dry, your foam stamp is ready for stamping. Apply a layer of paint to the stamp using a brush. Press the stamp onto a piece of paper or card to transfer the paint. Then there you have it, your own stamp.